How to undo typing on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your iPhone. Notes is a versatile app for jotting down thoughts, creating checklists, sketching ideas, and organizing information. Once you're here, tap on the Compose icon at the bottom right corner to create a new note. Now, type any text or sentence into the note. To undo the text you just typed, tap anywhere on the screen with 3 fingers. An editing toolbar will appear at the top of your screen, giving you quick access to editing functions. From this toolbar, tap the Undo icon, which is the backward curving arrow, to revert your last action. As you can see, the text has been successfully removed. Following these steps, you can easily undo typing on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.